Hi, Zachary. It was great seeing you today. I thought I'd give you a number one drum lesson today. So, you want to learn how to play the drums? Get your sticks if you have them. And if you have your book, it'd be great if you did your book. And we're working on page, I don't know what page, it says 4B on here. And it says the first note. Okay? So, the first note, it shows R over the note. And that means you're going to be holding it with your right hand. Right now, I'm just going to teach you how to do it with our hands together, not any special separate way of holding it, just like this. So I have it like um, 3/4. There's a little bit left here. As you can see, I'm not at the end. I'm not right up here. I'm right here, about 3/4 in. Okay? So what you're going to do is, it says the first note, you're just going to hit with your right stick, and you can just use your hard stick on your hard surface of your desk. So you just go 2, 3, 4, rest, 2, 3, 4. Now there's a L, which means your left stick. So then you hit that one. 2, 3, 4, rest, 2, 3, 4. So every drummer has to count, and it's a counting game, and it's great to count out loud. You'll see professionals sometimes counting out loud just so they can get the rhythm. So let's try it. Ready? Number one, the first note is going to be right, 2, 3, 4, rest, 2, 3, 4, left, 2, 3, 4, rest, 2, 3, 4. Ready? 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, 2, 3, 4. Left, 2, 3, 4, rest, 2, 3, 4. Okay, number two is count and play. And right now it shows R, 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 R. Then there's these funny wiggly lines which mean rest, and there's 4 of them. So that'd be 1, 2, 3, 4 of rest. Then you do R, 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 which is right, 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 right. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 is rested. Okay? So right now, your quarter notes are just the beat. And just pay attention right now for the R's and if there's any L's, but this one doesn't have any L's. So you ready? Here we go. Count and play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. All right, number 3 shows a new note. And that just means we're using left and then right. Before we were doing right and then left. We don't have different tones on the snare, which is what you're learning right now. There's no different tones on the snare. Just the new note would be a style that you're doing, which is going to be left and then right. Okay? 1, 2, ready, play. Left, 2, 3, 4, rest, 2, 3, 4. Right, 2, 3, 4, rest, 2, 3, 4. Good job. All right, two's a team. This one is going to be left, 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 rest, 2, 3, 4. Right, 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 rest, 2, 3, 4. Now you may think this is too easy. Well, a drummer has to learn how to count, and they have to keep a beat, an even beat. If you feel your pulse on your wrist, you'll feel your heart beating an even beat. That's what a drummer needs to have, is an even beat, so they can keep the band together. I hate to say it, but it's true. The drummer keeps the band together, not always the conductor. That's why you always got to keep an eye on the conductor when you come to band, okay? So number 4, two's a team. 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, 2, 3, 4. Right, 2, 3, 4, rest, 2, 3, 4. It would probably be good for you to get a little drum, maybe that sits on the table. It's called a mute, I think, or it's a practice drum. It doesn't make a lot of sound, so it won't drive your mom crazy, because you don't want to do that, and she'll be throwing all the drums out. But it shouldn't be too much money, and your mom might be able to find it online. I think it's called a practice drum, and it's just a little plate that you set on top of your desk. But for now, just use your desk. So heading down, always stand straight and tall with your shoulders relaxed, okay? We're going to do right, 2, 3, 4, rest, 2, 3, 4. Left, 2, 3, 4, rest, 2, 3, 4. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Left, 2, 3, 4. Rest, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do number 6. It's called moving on up. So this one's going to be a little more challenging because now there's 5 notes. Okay? And in this style of music, it's going to be normally 4 notes played together in one measure. A measure of 5 lines, bar lines makes it a room. Okay? So here we're going to go right, 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 2, 3, 4. Right, right, left, left, right, 2, 3, 4. You ready? 1, 2, ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I didn't mean to count it that way. The 5th note, you're going to say 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, 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 2, 3, 4. Right, right, left, left, right, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. This time we're going to count by 1, 2, 3, 4s. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, good job. I'll see you next time, Zachary. Take it easy. I love you. Bye-bye.